This video is sponsored by Defense Brand. If the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max is your first iPhone without a home button, chances are some basic functions like force restarting, entering DFU, or recovery mode might be a bit new to you. And although you won't need to force restart your phone every day, there will be a time where these functions will be necessary. And so in this video, we're going to go over how to perform these functions on your new iPhone. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications whenever we share a video. The only physical buttons that we have on an iPhone 11 or an 11 Pro are the side button and the volume up and down buttons. With no home button to speak of, these three side buttons work in combination to undertake all of the necessary functions. Most of you probably already know how to turn your new iPhone on or off, but just in case you don't, we're going to go over these two basic tasks. To turn your iPhone off, press and hold the side button, along with either the volume up or volume down buttons, until two sliding options appear on the screen. Release the buttons and then swipe right on slide to power off in order to turn off your phone. If you wish to power your phone back on, simply press the side button once and the Apple logo will appear. If you need to activate the Emergency SOS feature, in which your iPhone automatically calls emergency services and also sends a text message with your location to emergency contacts, simply press and hold the side button alongside one of the volume buttons. If you keep holding after the two slider options appear, the Emergency SOS countdown initiates, and after 5 seconds, a call will automatically be placed. You can also swipe right on Emergency SOS to toggle on manually. If you don't want Emergency SOS to automatically call emergency services when the side button is pressed, make sure to disable auto call via Settings, Emergency SOS, and then disable the auto call option. To disable Face ID, in order to prevent a police officer or a malicious person from unlocking your iPhone by holding it in front of your face, simply press and hold the side button and then press and hold either volume buttons. Then press Cancel at the bottom of the screen. Face ID will now be disabled until you enter your passcode. Apple also changed the process of activating the following troubleshooting functions with the launch of the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. So if you upgraded from a device that predates these 2017 models, it's going to be a good idea to familiarize yourself with these in case you run into problems with your iPhone. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up, and then do the same thing with the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. During this process, you will see a slider to power off the iPhone. You're going to want to ignore it and continue holding down on the side button until the screen goes black. At that point, the Apple logo will pop up, and after the restart is complete, the screen will activate once again. Entering recovery mode can help you if you're having trouble updating or restoring your iPhone over the air. For example, if the screen shows the Apple logo for several minutes but no progress bar appears, you can try putting the device in recovery mode and restoring it with your Mac. Here's how you can do that. Connect your phone to your Mac, then follow the steps that we just went over on force restarting your iPhone by pressing the volume up and then the volume down button, and then holding the side button, but this time, wait past the Apple logo until you see the recovery mode screen. You should then see a message on your Mac saying that your iPhone is now in recovery mode. You'll be given options to update or restore your iPhone software. The forced restart procedure can help if an iPhone is freezing, throwing up errors, or has stopped responding completely. DFU mode, which stands for Device Firmware Update, on the other hand, restores an iPhone if a restart or entering standard recovery mode doesn't solve the problem you're experiencing. It's useful for installing older versions of iOS if a beta persistently hangs on your phone or if a jailbreak goes bad. To enter DFU, make sure your iPhone is on and connected to your Mac, then press the volume up immediately, followed by the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until your iPhone screen turns black. Release the side button and then hold down both the side button and the volume down button for around 5 seconds. Then release the side button, but continue holding down the volume down button. Wait until your Mac prompts you that your device is now in DFU recovery mode and that you can now restore your iPhone if you wish to do so. Before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, Defense Brand. Defense Brand offers up some pretty awesome accessories like the new Defense Duo wireless charger, which can wirelessly charge your cell phone and another Qi compatible device like another phone or even some AirPods Pro. And it's super sleek with its machined aluminum look, and there's even a bonus USB port on the back to charge even more devices. Defense Brand offers up protection for your iPhone with its new lineup of cases called the Defense Shield. The fence shield embodies protection and style, certified to exceed military-grade drop test standards for up to 10 feet. The anodized aluminum bumper is available in rose gold, red, black, purple, or iridescent, which looks really cool. Oh yeah, there's even protection for your AirPods case. For more information on Defense Brand and all of the awesome products, click the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.